Welcome class 12 to the third level final part. Here we go. Third level. We have already gone through this paragraph in which the Charlie is a modern man who has seen the devastation of all the world war, anxiety and other so many problems faced by modern human beings that has faced the world war, especially the World War II. So they want to escape from their reality. So like any other modern man, Charlie also wants to escape from the reality. So he is in the Grand Central Station, and there he saw the third level, which he thinks that the most suitable place to go to, a new place where he could get rid of all these worries, insecurities, fear and anxieties. So I turned towards the ticket windows, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central I could buy tickets that would take Lisa and me anywhere in the United States we wanted to go. In the year 1894, and I wanted 2 tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. So I turned towards the ticket windows, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central I could buy tickets. So when he reached at the third level, he decided to buy 2 tickets so that he could take a train to Galesburg, Illinois. It's a dream place for him, where he can see, where he can find the place most suitable to him. So he wants to buy 2 tickets, one for himself and another for his wife. So he went to the ticket. Next, have you ever been there? It's a wonderful town still, with old frame houses, huge lawns, and tremendous trees whose branches meet overhead and roof the streets. Means the narrator is talking about Galesburg, Illinois. So he's giving the description of Galesburg, Illinois, a place of his dream. It is possible that he might have heard the details of Galesburg, Illinois from his grandfather, because his grandfather used to be there and he had heard so many stories of Galesburg, Illinois. And in 1894, summer evenings were twice as long and people sat out on their lawns, the men smoking cigars and talking quietly, the woman waving palm leaf fans with the fireflies all around in the peaceful world. To be back there with the First World War still 20 years off and World War II over 40 years in the future. I wanted 2 tickets for that. So here he gives the description of Galesburg, Illinois, asking you, have you ever been there? Means, have you ever heard anything about Galesburg, Illinois? It's a wonderful town still. Means he's talking about the time he wants to travel, means 1894. With the old frame houses, अभी भी वहाँ घर कैसे हैं? Old frame houses built up of old design, huge lawns, not very congested houses of modern type, but huge lawns. Lawns means open space in front of house, and tremendous trees whose branches met overhead and roof the streets. And there are so many trees, and the branches of those trees meet overhead and roof the streets. Means they meet in a way to each other that makes a roof to the road or streets. स्ट्रीट की जो रोड्स हैं उसके ऊपर वो ऐसे मिलते हैं ताकि वो स्ट्रीट का, उस रोड का क्या बन जाए, एक रूफ बन जाए, छत बन जाए. मीन्स कवर द स्ट्रीट बाय देयर ब्रांचेज. And in 1894, summer evening were twice as long. So as you know that it is a perception that with the passage of time days are getting smaller and smaller. Means the time in change with the passage of time. So summer evening 1894 में कह रहा था twice as long. Means there were quite long evenings to enjoy. People sat out on their lawns. People used to sit on their lawns, the men smoking cigars and talking quietly. In a pleasantful way, the people used to smoke cigars. Cigars is a kind of cigarette, and smoking cigarette is a hazard, a very dangerous thing. It kills, but for their recreation, for the passing time, they used to smoke. Talking quietly, they used to talk without any shout, quietly, very peacefully. Women waving palm leaf fans. So they have made the fans, hand fans, हाथ से चलाने के जो फैन होते हैं palm leaf के बने हुए. So palm leaf के फैन woman चलाती थी, waving करती थी. Wave means move the fan. ऐसे the man smoking cigars and talking quietly, the women waving palm leaf fans with the fireflies all around in the peaceful world. And there were fireflies. Fireflies, do you know? Fireflies, a kind of insect with a light on its tail. Have you ever seen जुगनू जिसे हम कहते हैं? A light on the tail, and they fly in the evening. You can see the fireflies. Quietly, the man smoking cigars quietly, fireflies all around in peaceful world. To be back there with the first world war, still 20 years old. To be back there with the first world war means first world war was still 20 years old, means in 1894, and first world war began sometime in 1914. So they are not worried about the first world war because it has a time. It was to come after 20 years, and world was over 40 years, like 40 years के बाद World War II होना था. So there were no worries about the war. Here you can see that how much terrified, how much fearful he is about the war and the insecurity. I wanted 2 tickets for that place. The clerk figured the fare. He glanced at my fancy headband, but he figured the fare. And I had enough for 2 coach tickets one way. But when I counted out the money and looked up, the clerk was staring at me. A clerk figured the fare. Figured means counted, make calculation. He make the calculation of the fare I gave, means the money, the dollar, the penny I gave to him. जो पैसा मैंने उसको दिया, उसने उसे काउंट किया. My fancy headband, he stared at my fancy headband. मेरा जो fancy headband था सर का, उसको stare कर रहा था, घूर रहा था. But he figured the fare. He didn't say anything. Carried on. Figuring means counting that fare. And I had enough for 2 coach tickets one way, and I thought that I had given enough money to him and he would surely give me 2 coach tickets. But when I counted out the money and I looked up, the clerk was staring at me. So when I counted the money, the clerk looked at Charlie. क्यों देखा उस पे उसने? He nodded at the bills. Nod means to move your head in a positive way. किसी बात को लेकर हम जब agree करते हैं, we move our head in a slow motion. It is called nodding. Bills means the money. जो पैसा वो दे रहा उसको bills. The money given to the clerk by the Charlie. That sent the money, Miss. Here, Mister, he said, and if you are trying to skin me, you won't get very far. And he glanced at the cash drawer beside him. That's in the money, he said. Mister, this is not the money, he said. And if you are trying to skin me means to skin someone, means to cheat someone, to pull a wool on someone's eye. If you are cheating someone, if you are trying to cheat me, you won't get very far, means you will not go far away. You will be caught. And he glanced at the cash drawer beside me. Then he opened the cash drawer under his table. टेबल के नीचे जो ड्रॉर था कैश ड्रॉर उसे उसने बाहर खींचा और जब मैंने उसमें देखा of course the money was old style bill. I saw that his drawer was having the money of old style currency. जो currency थी वो ये नहीं थी जो मैंने दी थी. It was old style, half again as big as the money we use nowadays. The money, the bills on that time, the currency on that time was bigger than, means just as big, means double in size than the currency we are using in those days, in Charlie's days. And the different looking and the appearance of the means in appearance the money or the currency was also different. I turned away and got out fast. मैं अभी घुमा पीछे and वहाँ से I came out fast. There is nothing nice about jail even in 1894, and I was fearful that they may send me the jail. So going to jail even in 1894 was not a pleasant thing. And that was that. That was the all I did. I left the same way I came, I suppose. Then I came back to the same way. Next day during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of the bank, and nearly all we had, and brought old style for the currency. So next day I went to the bank during the lunch hour. Lunch के time में office में मैं कहाँ गया? I went to the bank and from there I bought old style जो उसकी currency थी, money थी, उसको उसमें खरीदा. वो हमेशा महंगी मिलती है, 100 रुपये देंगे तब जाके 10 रुपये 20 रुपये मिलते हैं. So he paid more, all $300 जो उसने save किया था. He spent all the money to buy old style bill or the currency. That really worried my psychiatrist friend, and on getting this news, my psychiatrist friend was very worried that what I am doing, why I have drawn all the money that he has sent so far. You can only you can buy old the money at almost any coin dealers, but you have to pay a premium. Premium means some extra money you have to pay to buy old style bill. My $300 bought less than 200 in old style bills. I paid 300 and got 200 old style bills, or the bills को क्या कहते हैं दूसरा, money या currency. But I didn't care. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894. So I was not a bit worried that I had been paying extra premium to get old style bills, because the things were cheaper. उस time पर जो चीजें थी वो क्या थी, सस्ती थी. Things were cheaper. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894, means the things were cheaper. 13 cent का तो एक डजन egg आ जाते थे. So Charlie ever go back to ticket counter? We will see it. But I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at Grand Central Station. But I tried for so many times, but couldn't find that way which could take me to the third level, and from where I could buy the tickets for Gilsburg, Illinois. Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this, and didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. And after a while I stopped. I went back to my stamps. So Louisa, my wife, was pretty means very much worried when she heard that I was taking a ticket and there is a third level and all these things. And she advised him, means she advised to her husband Charlie that he should not search such a place again. So after searching 1 or 2 days, when I couldn't find any third level or any way to the third level, I went back to my stamp collection. I started looking back or searching or collecting my stamps. मैं वापस अपने ticket collection पे लग गया जब मुझे third level नहीं मिला. But now we are both looking every weekend, because we were both looking every weekend because now we have proof that the third level is still there. लेकिन क्या था, हम अब भी दोनों, Louisa and Charlie, look for that third level because they believe that there is a third level. My friend Sam Winner disappeared. तभी न्यूज आती है, जो साइकेट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड है चार्ले का, सैम विनर, he disappeared. कहाँ डिसअपियर हो गया? Nobody knew where, but I sort of but I sort of suspected because Sam is a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. I went to school there and he always said he liked the sound of the place. So वो इसको एक मेरी तरह एक city boy था, and I had talked a lot about Galesburg to him and he wanted to be at that place as well. He liked the sound of the place, means he liked the place when he heard about it, and that is where he is all right in 1894. That's where he is, and Charlie believes that Sam Weiner has gone to Galesburg, Illinois, and in the time 1894 through the time traveling. उसे लगता है टाइम ट्रैवलिंग से वापस कहाँ चला गया, उसका साइकियाट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड गेल्सबर्ग, इलिनॉइस चला गया, इसीलिए वो क्या है, he is not in the city or disappeared. Because one night, fussing with my stamp collection, I found, well, do you know what a first day cover is? So because one night, एक रात की बात है, fussing with the stamp collection. Fussing means when you are excited for some work which is less fruitful. जब हमें ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं होता फिर भी हम किसी काम के लिए एक्साइटेड होते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं फसिंग. उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, उसके बारे में काम करते हैं, पूरी जान लगाते हैं. We know that it is not so much beneficial. It's called fussing. So I was also doing things with my stamp. जो मेरा collection था उसमें stamps के साथ कुछ कर रहा था. I found, well, do you know what the first day cover? He explained the first day cover here. कि first day cover stamp collectors का एक special term है. First day cover, what is it? When a new stamp is issued. जब नया stamp आता है, मैंने पहले भी तुम्हें explain किया है. Stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves. वो टिकट लेते हैं, envelopes में एक चिट्ठी पेपर डालते हैं, उस envelopes को अपने लिए पोस्ट कर देते हैं अपने एड्रेस पे. डे उसी दिन जिस दिन नया टिकट सेल होने के लिए आता है. एंड द पोस्ट मार्क प्रूव द डेट, क्योंकि उससे क्या होता है, द पोस्ट मास्टर इसमें डेट की स्टैंप लगा देता है, एंड इट प्रूव्स दैट द स्टैंप वाज इशूड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डेट. द एनवेलप इज कॉल्ड द फर्स्ट डे कवर, और यही एनवेलप फर्स्ट डे कवर होता है. दे आर नेवर ओपन, उनको कभी खोलते नहीं है. यू जस्ट पुट ब्लैंक पेपर इन द एनवेलप बिकॉज यू हैव सेंट दैट एनवेलप टू योरसेल्फ, एंड इनसाइड द एनवेलप यू नो दैट देयर इज नो लेटर, ओनली अ ब्लैंक पेपर. That night among my oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there. तभी मुझे उसमें देखा फर्स्ट डे कवर्स बहुत थे, उनमें से एक नया सा फर्स्ट डे कवर मिला. बट देयर इट was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. क्योंकि मेरे ग्रैंडफादर को किसी ने वो एनवेलप मेल किया था गेल्सबर्ग के एड्रेस पे. दैट्स व्हाट द एड्रेस एंड द एनवेलप सेड. आई गॉट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द envelopes, outer side of envelopes, and it had been there since July 1894. July 1894 से वो वहाँ था. The postmark showed that. postmark में डेट भी लिखी थी, and July 1894 was the date. Yet I didn't remember it at all. But I didn't remember that I have ever seen that envelope, that first day cover before. The stamp was a 6-cent dull brown. envelope कैसा था? Was the stamp कैसी थी? 6-cent dull brown with a picture of President Garfield. उस टाइम के गारफील्ड प्रेसिडेंट की पिक्चर क्या, ब्राउन डल ब्राउन कलर का एक 6 सेंट प्राइस का वैल्यू का क्या था, उस पर लगा हुआ स्टैम्प था. So naturally when the envelope came to granddad in the mail, it went right into the collection and stayed there till I took it out and opened it. So naturally ये उस टाइम का था, प्रेसिडेंट गारफील्ड का. ग्रैंडडैड को ये भेजा था किसी ने स्टैम्प कलेक्शन के नाम पे, और वो सीधे कहाँ चला गया था, उस कलेक्शन में चला गया था. Nobody has taken the notice of that first day cover. The paper inside wasn't blank. लेकिन जब मैंने अंदर पेपर देखा तो वो ब्लैंक पेपर नहीं था, उसमें एक लेटर था. इट रेड, क्या था, 1941 वेलॉर्ड स्ट्रीट, गेल्सबर्ग, इलिनॉइस, जुलाई 18, 1894. Charlie, I got to wishing that you were right. Then I got a believing you were right. And Charlie, it is true. I found the third level. I have been here 2 weeks, and right now, down the street at the dailies, someone is playing a piano and they are all out on the front porch singing, saying Nelly home, and I am invited over for a lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth to believe. It's worth it. Believe me. The note is signed Sam. So when he opened the first day cover of that date, 18 July 1894, so उसमें एड्रेस था और चार्ली के लिए लेटर लिखा था. फर्स्ट डे कवर नहीं था. इट वाज अ लेटर टू चार्ली बाय द सेम विनर, द साइकियाट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड हु हैज गॉट disappeared. उसने क्या लिखा था? I got to wishing that you were right. I believe that you are all right. Then मुझे ऐसा विश था, मैं विश कर रहा था कि जो तुम कह रहे हो about third level, you are right. Then I got to believing you were right. फिर मुझे पहले विश कर रहा था, फिर मुझे believe होने लगा कि you are right. And Charlie, it is true. I found the third level. You are right to say that there is a third level, and I found that third level. I've been here 2 weeks, और मैंने वहाँ से ट्रेन भी पकड़ के मैं घेल्सबर्ग आ गया हूँ, एंड मुझे यहाँ 2 weeks हो गए हैं. एंड राइट नाउ डाउन द स्ट्रीट एट द डेलीज इज द नेम ऑफ प्लेस, उस स्ट्रीट में मैं हूँ. समवन इज प्लेइंग द पियानो, कोई पियानो बजा रहा है. दे आर ऑल आउट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पोर्च सिंगिंग, सब पोर्च में अपने घर के इन फ्रंट ऑफ देयर हाउस दे हैव कम all the people, and they are singing. क्या गाना गा रहे हैं? Sing Nelly Home is the old song that they are singing. And I am invited over to lemonade. मुझे lemonade के लिए glass of lemonade के लिए मुझे invite किया है. नींबू पानी को lemonade कहते हैं. So invited over for a lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Keep looking till you find the third level. वापस आ जाओ, Charlie, Louisa, you both come back. Keep looking third level. Third level ढूंढते रहो till you find it. It's worth it. It's very worthy. It's very valuable. Believe me, it's very good to come here. The note is signed as Sam. उस letter में sign थे Sam के. And at the stamp and coin store, I go. Note signed as Sam, and then he say that at the stamp and coin store, I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency. तो मैं जब स्टैम्प कलेक्शन में अपने ओल्ड जो करेंसी के स्टोर पे गया, so I found that Sam bought $800 worth of old currency, कि सैम ने $800 की पुरानी करेंसी कहीं खरीदी थी. That ought to set him up in the nice little hay, feed and the grain for the business. So इतना पैसा उसके लिए क्या था? It was sufficient to settle him in the Galesburg and to run a business of hay, feed and a grain business. उसका business था, dry grass को hay कहते हैं, feed to food for the animals, for the cattle, and a grain, और जो उसके grain का business उसका इतने में चल जाना था. He always said that's what he really wished could to do. वो कहता था कि he wants to run a business of such things, and he certainly can't go back to his old business. So, not in Galesburg, Illinois in 1894. His business, why Sam was my psychiatrist. It was his old business, what he wants. So I surprised, how can he be my psychiatrist? So with this, we end this. And I leave you here with a dilemma that what happens actually in the story. Who was Sam? How did he get the third level? Did he really go to the Galesburg, Illinois? Was there really a third level? So we will discuss all these things when we will be discussing question and answers. So